Hey, good afternoon, World History classes. Hope you're doing well. It's Monday, March 30th. Welcome to week 3 of digital learning. Just a couple of things before we kind of jump into what we're going to be doing this week. It is important that you are using your time wisely throughout the week. Notice with my assignments, I open them on Monday. You've got till Sunday night at 11:55 to answer the questions. Do not wait till Saturday night or Sunday night to work on the assignments. I'm here during the day to answer any questions you might have, but I might not be available late Sunday night to answer something. So you need to plan a schedule. I know it's hard. I know it's difficult. You're at home, you're quarantined, you're stuck. You've got brothers and sisters, parents, you've got other things. It's difficult right now. That's why freshman seminar was so important for you to make sure that you're planning a schedule and being prompt and prepared and productive in all that you have to do. The second thing, you need to watch the videos. The videos are going to be helpful tips on how to complete assignments. It's going to be lectures, which is going to have things that are going to be found on tests. So, you kind of need to listen to them. I'm not going to do them just to do them. I'm doing them to try to help you make sure that you understand the material to do well on all of the assignments. Third thing, make sure that if you have any questions, we'll have our virtual classroom on Thursday, but you can also reach me during normal school days through email. I'm willing to do a Google Hangout or a Zoom if we need to kind of make sure that we're on the same page. Also, just want to let you know I'm proud of you and the work that you're doing, and keep up the good work. So this week's assignment, got a couple of things that are going on. So here's the first thing. You have a flashcard activity. We're not going to do flashcards like we did at the beginning of the semester. We're moving to a different capacity. So what I want you to do is go to that link where you should have joined as a particular member. And when you go to my class, which is going to be fourth period, second period, first period, whatever it is, you're going to find your particular set of flashcards. If you're an honor student for Unit 4, there's Middle Ages Honors. If you're traditional, there's traditional. So you'll click on that, and then what your responsibility is going to be is you're going to take these activities right here, gravity and match, and you're going to complete them. They're really fun. I enjoy competing against you. When you do gravity, for instance, you'll see it says make everything disappear. Right now, my best time is 14.8 seconds. I want you to beat that. Go ahead and try to beat that score, but you need to be doing the matching and gravity. You need to do both. You don't have to do you don't have to write them down or anything like that. You've just got to demonstrate that you have been active with the flashcards for this week. I have an opportunity that allows me to see how well you've done, to see what the level is you've gotten on gravity, and also your score, your time on the matching. Now, don't just do it once and think that you're good. I want to see the highest level you can get. I want to see the fastest score you can get. So you should be doing several attempts as it relates to this assignment. So it's fun, and go ahead and we'll have some competition throughout the week. As for the second assignment, you have a test this week. It's Unit 3 test. There's a link that is available. This test is open for you to go ahead and start taking. Please know that you need to not use any notes, any resources, any materials. Once you open the test, you're kind of not able to stop it. So you need to make sure you're ready to take it when you're ready to take it. It's on Unit 3. It's based on the study guide, based on the PowerPoints that we did and the lectures that we had. So go ahead. That is due before Sunday night at 11:55 also. All right. So you have all week to take it. You take it when you're ready to take it. The next thing is understanding the Black Death, readings and questions. I've given you some really good, that's not it. It's actually down here. I've given you some really good primary resources. For instance, we're talking about the Black Death this week, and it's very ironic. We're talking about the Black Death as it relates to the coronavirus. And, you can start seeing some really strange, if you will, similarities that happen between these two things. So we want to look at how was the Black Death received? What did they think about it during the time that it was in in existence. So document A is a passage that is an excerpt from the report of the Paris Medical Faculty. It was in October of 1348. And so you're going to read this document. It's not long. There's the vocabulary. You're going to read document B, which is Ibn al-Wardi. This is an essay on the report of the pestilence. He was an Arab writer, so you're going to see how he felt about it. Here's some vocabulary help for you. And then you've got your questions. Guys, I need to make sure that you are really able to understand primary sources, how to read them, the information that you're gaining. Since we're doing a lot of digital learning, a lot of primary sources are going to come your way to make sure that you're closely reading these and that you're able to understand what's going on. So document that you know the gist of the material that is being presented. You do all these questions, the ones in the boxes, but also these final questions also. So give detail. Let me know that you are understanding what it is that you're reading. And then you have your complete Unit 5.1 to 5.3 PowerPoint notes. That's not all of Unit 5. That's just a portion of them. They are not due this week. You do not need to turn them in, but I would go ahead and work on them to stay on target because next week, as you can see, we got some other things going on. I'm not talking to you about next week. I've been asked to give you 2 weeks worth of assignments, but I'm giving it to you, but I'm only talking 1 week at a time because you got enough on your plate. So I'm focused on March 30th to April 5th. We'll deal with April 6th to April 12th when it comes, so don't worry about that. I'm not putting those assignments in Google Classroom right now because I'm not wanting to overload you. Make sure you're doing your assignments. Make sure you do them on time. Make sure that you are not procrastinating. Make sure you know that you're loved and you're missed. And I can't wait to see you guys again, and stay in touch. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Go outside, walk around the yard, do something, but stay safe. Take care.